The 2022 fall semester has officially begun, and we couldn't be more excited for everything this year has to hold. We're here in the newly renovated Business Conference Center at our Springlake Campus, where we just held our official ribbon cutting ceremony and open house and announced our newest community compact project. The new mosaic art piece will be located in our Big 3 conference room and will contain materials and imagery collected by community members that represents Northeast Oklahoma City. We can't wait to get started on this new and unique piece of art that will represent our community. Also in the conference center this week, we held our first annual white coat ceremony for our new pre-nursing students. Founded in 1993, the White Coat Ceremony is a rite of passage for medical students. Our students were each given their own white coat and recited the Florence Nightingale Nursing Pledge in unison. This was an amazing and momentous event. These future healthcare professionals are definitely going to make a positive difference in their community. We also held the Millwood Public Schools Convocation in the BCC Auditorium. Millwood is a longtime educational partner of MetroTech, and we were so happy to have them on campus. Our student spotlight this week is Architectural CAD Technician Student Ashley Sapien. Ashley received her start at MetroTech when she enrolled in our pre-engineering program as a high school student, and after graduating, joined the MetroTech Foundation as a part-time administrative assistant. Now, Ashley's in our Architectural CAD Technology program and has already received a job offer from Integris Health to work as a drafting technician. Congratulations, Ashley, and thank you for choosing MetroTech. It has been a great week welcoming all of our new and returning students to our campuses. Follow our weekly wrap-up series every Friday evening to get the latest MetroTech news and updates. See you next time, MetroTech for Life.